Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to attach photo in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app, and once you open it, all you need to do is simply tap on the compose option. So once you hit the compose option, you can simply type in the recipient's email address and then type in the subject, and now all you need to do is simply tap on the paperclip like icon beside the send option and tap on attach file from computer. Once you do this, you can select any of the images from your computer and simply upload it by tapping on the open button. After the file is completely uploaded, it is hence completed that the photo has been attached to your email that has been sent or is being sent to the recipient. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.